It's confusing out there. Mary wonders if this is working from home or living at work. Lauren, he took an online guitar masterclass, but he's not anywhere near becoming a master. He's confused. Alicia wants to go to the office tomorrow. She needs that work-life separation, but she also needs to work in her pajamas. Rod stumbled into a real-life conversation at Directions 2022. He can't hit mute. He can't turn off his camera. He can't pee while he listens. He is confused. These are confusing times. When customers move to Business Central, they want to access all their historic data, and eOne says they can easily. I'm confused. Ross tells his customers that they can't query the tables behind Business Central directly. The cloud is hard, but he just learned about eOne's query builder and that he's been lying. He is confused. Chris H. read on the internet that CDS would be the answer to all his integration needs. It isn't. He's confused. These are confusing times, which is just about the right time to introduce virtual integration. Data integration without integrating data that looks just like integration.
I told you that. It's confusing out there. In the year of the COVID, the number of best-of-breed business productivity cloud apps that were deployed exploded. All of these apps are causing problems for Business Central partners. No wonder people are confused. Each mid-market company on average deploys 88 different software applications. Each user uses 10 applications every single day. But who helps these real workers navigate this new app normal? You do, and we do. There is a gaping hole in the market where no one is taking ownership of connecting all of these apps together. Now, the ERP and the CRM are the heart of a business, so it is our job to do this. At eOne, we've been busy redefining what an integration platform as a service should be. And we've built the tools that you need to own the new app normal. Now, there are 5 things you need to know about this iPaaS we'll discuss today. Now, number 1 is traditional data integration.
So every mid-market company has a need to move data from one system to another. Every single one. Whether it's uploading Excel or other files, connecting in e-commerce, syncing another 365 system, or any other cloud app, there are 1,000 reasons for integration. So with Smart Connect, what we have done is we've allowed you to put you in control. We give you a data source, choose where it's coming from, how it's triggered, and where to send it to your destination. So any transformation you need, error alerts, scheduling, resubmitting data, you name it, we let you do it without requiring developers. So we've given you one tool that lets your consulting team say yes to any integration with Business Central. Integrate anything to anything using our on-prem or cloud options. Boom, it's integrated.
The second thing we did during COVID is we invented virtual integration.
Now, virtual integration is taking data from one app, displaying it inside of another app, wherever people prefer to work. To embed any data from any application into any BC page, all you need to do is pick your data source. This example is pulling data from Salesforce, but it could be any app. Pass in a key field from the page as a parameter, and select any page inside BC where you want this data to reside, then simply hit publish. Without writing a single line of code, This widget is auto-deployed. We see Salesforce data inside of BC against an invoice in that fact box. Boom, it's virtually integrated.
Now, an integrated platform must include reporting. PopDoc, our tool, can connect to any app and give you one single reporting tool. It's really smartless and smartless builder for the whole business. Now, one of the things you can use it to connect to is your historical legacy ERP data that you've brought to BC. Now, you've all got a customer when you say, let's move to BC, that says, but I need all of my data. I need 20 years of sales information.
So we made it easy moving from your old GP, NAV, and SL systems. Now for your demanding customers that require all that old data and all those product pricing details and your invoices and lines and product updates, that's where you choose Smart. For everything else, you want virtual migration. So we've spent the last 2 years creating virtual migration. You choose your Smart List, or your table, or your entire database, and you move that to the Azure Data Lake. From there, we move it automatically. You connect to it using PopDoc inside of Business Central, and we read that data from the data lake. So you can find any data from your old GP, NAV, or SL systems, and you can even combine that data with your current Business Central data into one report. But it's not just one big list. You can also embed this data against any record you want in Business Central. Boom! It's virtually migrated.
All right, now strap yourself in. Chris is going to knock your socks off here.
The biggest problem we see with the cloud is that you can't get at the tables in the BC database for reporting. With Query Builder, everyone can build their own optimized queries right from BC tables. This easy interface lets you select tables and fields and join them to any other BC table to build your own query. These queries can be simple or very complex. You have access to all dimensions and fields not included on a standard page, and you can restrict that data or even summarize for more optimized queries. Then at the click of the Publish button, we turn this into an API query. You can use this API query inside of PopDoc, Power BI, Tableau, or anywhere else you need BC data. And this means you will never have to write AO code again.
Yeah. The new app normal is here. So you guys have to own those apps. Profit from the app normal and be the guys that bring it all together for your mid-market companies with a true integration platform as a service. The two components, Smart Connect will move your data. PopDoc will let you share the data across all of those apps. So to learn more, tomorrow 2:30 and Tuesday at 2:45, we will take you through those 5 pillars of an integration platform that you need to understand. So to finish up, can I get everybody on the count of 3 to give us one big boom, it's integrated? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom! It's integrated. Thank you.